So what can 8 to 12% a month do for you? I know that this amount seems pretty small, especially in comparison to the cryptocurrency market, or in particular Bitcoin, from 2017 and before. But we're in 2018 and times have changed. Bitcoin is currently going through a transitional stage as well as the cryptocurrency market as a whole. It's not entirely a bullish market anymore, at least at this moment. So maybe this is a good time to start looking at alternative investments. Hi, I'm Ryan, and I know I look young, but I'm actually 32 years old, and I have just about 13 years of Forex market trading experience. You could also call it the foreign exchange market as well. And I just launched my website, forexpullbackcopier.com, which allows you to copy my trades that I take in the market. Now you're probably wondering, well, I don't want my trades copied from just some random person. I want to make sure that they actually know what they're doing. And anybody could say that they have 12 years of or 13 years of market experience, but they could be an awful trader. Well, I'm going to show you a couple things here. Here are some of my stats. Straight profit. And just this month, I had 7%. Yeah, I didn't meet my goal of 8%, at least 8%, but sometimes the market doesn't allow us to get that kind of profit. I take the best opportunities, and sometimes those opportunities don't manifest themselves to me. And if they don't, and I have few opportunities, that means I come out with less profit. But if I see a lot of opportunities, that means I could potentially come out with 12% or maybe even more. So I'm also trading this account or trading this strategy on large accounts of 126,000 and more. So what about compounding in this 8 to 12%? How powerful can that actually be? Well, I have a compounded interest calculator here. And starting with 5,000, 120% per year, so that's an average of exactly, well, 10% per month over 36 months with a compound interval of monthly. Now, if I do push calculate, you'll see that the 5,000 has turned into 154,000, over $154,000. And that's pretty impressive. I don't think anybody can deny that. That's impressive. Now, as I mentioned, I can't always get at least 8% or 10% per month. So these stats are definitely hypothetical. But still, my strategy shows a lot of consistency. I've had some losses here. There was one right here that you can barely see. But you can see the profit and equity curve are very, very smooth. So that's why these hypothetical results actually have some merit. Because if you go to my results here, you'll see that just in the last 3 months, I had 13% back in December. January, I had 7.62%, and then this month, just about 7. So I'm able to profit just about every single month. And that's something that not everybody can do, and it's something that's definitely difficult to do in the cryptocurrency market right now. So I beg you guys to check out my website. Look it over. There's only 2 steps. And I know I'm charging a monthly fee, but I also have a 14-day free trial, which allows you to try out my strategy and my trades being copied to your account for free. You don't even have to put any money down. I show you how to set up a brokerage account so you're able to take my trades and have them copied to your account. And you can set this up with a demo or virtual funds so you don't even have to make a real money deposit. So you can actually see how the strategy will work on hypothetical funds or fun money, like a casino. And then after that, you have a choice to pay $99 a month. But that's entirely up to you. But I want you to try my strategy out. And that's why I'm giving you a 14-day free trial, because I know that you'll be happy with what you see. Okay? I also give you some broker choices here. So you are able to actually get that 8 to 12% per month. And I show you FX Junction, which is a third-party website that allows your trades to be copied. It allows my trades to be copied to your account. If you have any questions, let me know. But so far, in the last 2 weeks, since I've started having my trades copied to others' accounts, I have about 60 people And I've had some reviews that have come in. And here's just one of them. I'm going to read it to you now. After 8 trading days being with Ryan's copy service, my account ended February 2018 with 4.2%. I missed 1% because my CPU suddenly decided to update and I'm not around to set up the charts again. Definitely VPS is a big help in this kind of occasion. Thanks Ryan for my first positive month. So you can read the rest of the reviews on my website, but I urge you to check it out. Look it over, give it a free trial, see what happens. I think you'll like what you see. And if you have any further questions, let me know. I'm happy, always happy to answer them. Have a good one, guys. Bye.